Hello students, now we are going to discuss about how to create two nodes, right? Previously we discussed that there is only one head node which consists of two parts, that is data and address of the next data, right? This address, as we created only one node, we made it as 0. But here I want to make one more node. I want to create one more node, n1, right? So, what will be the value of address? Can it be 0? No, it can't be 0, right? What is the address? That is, the address of n1 should be loaded to head of next, right? Here also we have to note some data. Let us consider here we already loaded 37. Here I want to load data 38, right? Is there any next node here? No, we want to create only two. So here the next address will be 0, right? But here the head can't be 0. It should hold the address of n1. Let us see how to create this. Okay. I want to create one more node, asterisk n1. Data type I declared. Next, I have to allocate the memory, that is n1. Done. Next, what I have to do? I have to load the values to n1. n1 in n1, I want to load the data. What is the data that we said? 38. n1 next equal to 0. There is no next, right? But here head of next can't be 0. It should be equal to n1 address, right? Done. Creating node is done, assigning data type, allocating memory, giving the values, and interlinking n1 node with the address to the head of next. Let us display these values. This is not head node, this is node n1, right? And data that I want to display is n1 data, address I want to display is n1. Now what is the output that I am going to get? That is head, in head, in head node, data. What is the data here we stored? 37. Here I am going to get 37, right? Next address. We are having one more node, n1. And what is the data that we loaded in n1? That is 38. Suppose the address of node 1 is 2000. Node 1 is 2000. Then 2000 will be loaded to here. As we specified, head of next is equal to n1, the address of n1, right? Let us verify the output now. See, head node consists of data 37, next address consists of 2036768. N1 node consists of data 38. Let us verify whether this is the address of N1 node or not. For that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add one more printf statement to display address of N1 node. %d /n, comma N1. See, the address of N1 node is the same as the address that we stored in head. both are same. Right? We created head node and node n1. Suppose, let us consider there is no data in head node. There is no data. The data is 0. Then is there any need to maintain head node? There is no need to maintain head node. Further, what we are going to do is, instead of allocating head next equal to n1, here if head equal to 0, simply you can write head equal to n1, else head of next equal to n1. What we are doing, we are simply making head itself n1 if head node is equal to 0. Correct? Execute it. 0. And one more thing, instead of taking the values directly here, what you can do is you can ask people to enter the value. Print f enter n1, that is node 1 data, semicolon, scanf percentage d, comma, ampersand n1 of data. I want to load the data of n1. That's why I'm going to take ampersand n1 of data. Here, what happened? Instead of taking value directly, it is going to read from you people. Right? Enter n1 data. It is asking me 45. Right? You can clearly see the node n1 value is 45. This is how you create two nodes, and a small improvement is you can also read the data to the node from external sources. Okay, thank you.